What? Classmates?
Open.
Thank you.
We are gonna need to buy a doll because we're gonna do a role play sa school. Si teacher. Here,
Doll? You have a lot of dolls.
baby doll. Here. Which one do you wanna read first? Close your eyes. Close your eyes. From Andres.
What? They know me?
Yeah? Open it.
How?
Yeah, that one of those guys over there.
Why they know me? Wow.
Happy birthday to you.
Thank you. Where is Andres?
I think he went home. I see Jacob. He also gave some of you. He also gave for you.
Thank you.
He also gave for you. Get it out. Here, he gave this to you.
Okay, can you hold this one first?
Here.
That one.
Happy birthday, the beauty.
Thank you. I love you.
Kiss them. The beauty.
Love you.
It's her birthday.
Uy,
Okay, this guy also gave you a gift here.
Thank you.
He also gave you a gift. Do you want to see the gift he gave to you?
Okay, which one?
Where's the gift he gave? Where's the gift he gave to you? Here, he gave this one to you.
Hi, thank you.
It's her birthday. It's her birthday. He was the one who wrote that.
Not bad.
I'm going to invite you at your birthday. Yeah, do you want to see mine now? Here's mine.
Wait, it's so blurry. I cannot see it.
Here, you can just read it. Happy birthday. I'm gonna read it for you, okay?
Okay.
Happy birthday, Ate. I wish you get a good day. I wish to grow with your heart, good health, and happy birthday, Ate Joy.
Wow, that's so sweet.
And I also have something for you.
Already?
Yeah, where's mine? I gave for you.
Here, this one?
Yes.
Hanap ko meeting. Sige na.
Here.
Ate Joy.
This is how many hearts I have. So these are how many hearts you have. So these are how many hearts you have. See? So here's the people who are being bullying to you, no hearts, and you have lots of hearts. And here, this is a maze. Here you go. This is the maze, and you go like this is a maze. Okay? You go to the birthday cake, and then after that, and then if you open it like this, in 3, 2, 1.
Wow.
This is how I draw you in my style now. Since I'm turning 8, I have a new art style for you.
Really?
Here you go.
Love you. Uy, don't tell anyone. Kakanakan.